How to change the icon colors on Android. This tutorial shows you how to customize the app icon colors to match your style. First, long press on an empty area on your home screen. After that, tap on Themes. From there, tap on the Icons tab at the bottom. At this point, browse through the available icon packs and tap on one you like. From there, tap on Download and Apply to set it. Once done, your icons will update to the new style and color. From here, if you want more control over the colors, go back to your home screen and long press on an empty area again. Tap on Wallpaper and Style. After that, tap on Color Palette. From there, you'll see a few color options generated from your wallpaper. Tap on any one to apply it. At this point, the icon colors and the overall theme will shift to match the palette you selected. Finally, tap on Apply to save your changes. And that's it. If this helped you change the icon colors on your Samsung, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.